गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।
Hello dear guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel S.English tutorial. Today I will provide you a short speech about the Independence Day. So let's go. Good morning everyone. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to speak about this proud day. Today is 15th August, the Independence Day of India. It is 78th Independence Day. We are very happy to get such a day. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the bondage of British rule. Many great patriots like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Surya Sen, Khudiram Bose, and many others sacrificed their lives to give us such a happy day. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said, "Give me blood, I shall give you freedom." Give us freedom, but they cannot enjoy the taste of freedom. So we should respect them and remember their sacrifices. After independence, we got our fundamental duties. So let us be united on such a beautiful day without any discrimination. Besides, we should respect our national flag and national anthem. Thank you. Jai Hind.